Hey traders, Shane from GMT Futures and FX. Welcome back. Going to do another review. This time we're looking at T17, which is our cycle trader system running on the 30-year bonds. So again, it's one of our automated trading systems, and it's on obviously the futures market. So it's one of the systems we have trading on the 30-year bonds, and it's the cycle trader. We're going to have a look at the results for some of the other systems, obviously this year as well. Ranked number 2 in our list of, so it's ranked. So if we have a look at our cycle trader systems, that was ranked number 2. So the cycle trader on the 30-year bonds had an outstanding year, ranking number 2 in our overall performance over 12 months. And you can see there we've already discussed CT50, and we'll be going through some of the other cycle trader strategies a little bit later on. But today I basically wanted to have a look at T17. So let's jump in and have a look at the charts. So traders, this is our cycle trader strategy. You've seen it probably before on a number of our YouTube videos, but we basically buy support, sell resistance. So the concept of the cycle trader is that when the market gets a little bit choppy or range bound, this system works well. It works really well just buying support, selling resistance. And you can see that our dynamic support resistance picks those levels beautifully. This is a snapshot of the last 6 to 8 weeks trading on the Treasury bonds, and you can see it's been very, very good. So this strategy is working extremely well. So we have a look at our last 6 to 8 weeks, and you can see it's been very consistent. A couple of big winning weeks there. Let's go through though and have a look at the overall stats for the last 12 months. So here we have our stats for the last 12 months. The system has made $19,705 on a $10,000 account. Its max drawdown has been $743. So probably a slightly bigger drawdown than we typically want to have on a smaller account. But you know, if you're trading a 20 or 50k account, that is just around about the $1,500 to $1,800 mark max drawdown. Again, it's got a lot of trades registered, 383 trades. The overall performance, as you can see there, it's netting out an average of $65 a day. Average trade net profit is 59. So on a cycle trader system, you're typically going to want to have your system running at around about $50 plus average trade net profit. The win rate there at 64%, so that's really good as far as a cycle trader strategy as well. That 64% obviously means that we're winning a lot of the time. We've got a great average trade net profit, and that our overall performance, you can see there over the last 90 days, that's fantastic. Let's have a look at the performance over the last 30 days on our strength tracker. And you can see there that over the last 30 days, now we stopped trading this strategy in December. So the December the 20th was the last trade that we took. Obviously, we have the holiday period off. We start back second week of January. And in the last 30 days, $626. So it's performing exceptionally well. So this really is going to be a strategy that we're going to start in January with. Once we have a look at how the market reacts in that first week, we want to make sure the volatility and the volume's back. But typically we're seeing that this T17 is going to be another good, strong strategy for us moving forward in 2014. Great performance for the year. Obviously 197% on a $10,000 account. That's a super return with a max risk of 9.5% with a max drawdown. And as I mentioned before, this has probably been this has been the second best strategy we've got in our cycle trader system, so performing exceptionally well. You see there, only one time did that system almost hit its circuit breaker. Good equity curve, just really kind of onwards and upwards, and we're expecting this really to continue strongly for 2014. So that's a little bit of a snapshot of our cycle trader strategy for the T17 on the 30-year Treasury bonds. So again, the advantage of this system on this market is that it's very scalable. For those traders who are going into our emerging managers platform and are looking to trade larger capital, this is a perfect strategy to take into that. So traders, we've got a lot of exciting things happening in 2014. Obviously the Emerging Managers platform, our Pro Traders Academy, and then we have new system releases. One of those will be our Fib Trader we're releasing this week. Now, if you'd like to get involved and become part of the team, all you need to do is send us an email at info@gmtfutures.com and we can get you started pretty much straight away. Or alternatively, you can call us at 617-336-00875 and we can get you started straight away. So thank you for your time. Have a fantastic rest of the day. And so we hope to catch you on the next update. Cheers.